Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. I am sitting here in the Walmart parking lot at grocery pickup waiting for my groceries to be brought out to me. I ordered them yesterday. Typically they're sitting here waiting for me when I pull up, but they're not quite ready yet apparently. So I'm gonna have a little bit of a wait, pick up a huge haul of groceries. It is a beautiful Monday, so happy Monday, guys. Alright, you guys, so I just brought this humongous haul of groceries in, laid it all out. I filmed my grocery haul, so now we gotta put it all away. Also have to deal with this ginormous mess of bags and just a general mess in the kitchen. So I'm gonna spend like probably half an hour in here getting it back in tip-top shape. And I need to see how the state of my refrigerator is. Okay, so it's not too bad. I should be able to fit everything in, just rearrange some things. Alright, mission complete. Everything fits. Relatively organized. I'm happy with this. I tried to hold off and eat a little bit later this morning. That way, I have to eat dinner a little bit late tonight. That way I won't be starving. So, I made one of these breakfast bowls from Aldi. It is sausage, potatoes, let's see, potatoes, eggs, sausage, and cheddar cheese. It's got 17 grams of protein. These are super quick and easy and pretty good. They're not like the lowest possible calories ever. This is 400 calories, but I like that it has the potatoes in there. It's probably not the best for you in terms of all those ingredients, but it's really delicious. So that's going to be my breakfast. I'm also brewing up a cup of coffee here. I'm going to add a few tablespoons of this Italian sweet cream coffee creamer. You guys know how much I love this stuff. Oh, there's my coffee. I'm going to add my cream, and that is breakfast for today. So I just got an Amazon order, and I thought I would share with you guys what I picked up. So the boys desperately needed a new shower curtain. They're going to get a new shower curtain rod. So I ordered one from Amazon. It is actually here. It's just a super simple, like silvery gray color, very simple shower curtain. Nothing fancy. Water repellent. It's polyester. It's got little metal grommets, so hopefully that'll work out really well for them. And I also picked up some shower hooks to go with that. So just these sort of silvery metal hooks. Hopefully these will work out well. They're brushed nickel. I'm hoping that they won't rust. We'll see. Patches needed a new harness because she managed to rip hers. I actually put hers through the washing machine for the first time. I typically hand wash it. And this time I didn't. I threw it in the washing machine, and then maybe that contributed to it, but the seam on it ripped. So she needed a new one. We picked her up this one. It's just a little step-in harness. Hopefully this one will work out for her. We'll see. And then lastly, I just picked up a entryway rug. We currently have been using a Dollar Tree rug, which is super cute, but not exactly functional. Let me show you guys. Oh. Here, so it's just a little teeny tiny one. Don't mind that hole. We have to replace this piece of drywall. Still working on projects, hence why you are seeing stuff everywhere. But, yeah, that wasn't exactly functional. Not quite big enough. Super cute, though. So we're going to get that replaced right now, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so this is the rug, and I have to be honest, this does not look anything like the picture. I'm going to show you guys the picture of what it looked like in the listing. I'm not happy with this. I might return it. It's fine quality and everything. Obviously it's got a little crease in it. It needs to lay out, but it just does not look quite like I expected it to. So I don't know what we're going to do. I don't know if we'll keep it or we'll return it. It's perfectly functional. It's just not quite what I expected. So we'll see. But that was my little Amazon order. So it is only 2:46, but I have to go and pick up the kids right around 5:30, and that's typically when I start dinner. So I decided to just go ahead and get it done early while I have some time and there's not a bunch of chaos going on. So I'm just going to cook up this chicken breast tenderloins from Tyson that I got at Walmart the other day. We have, let's see, 1.5 pounds, and I'm actually going to use this over the course of 2 meals. That's what I like to do. I like to kind of stretch things as much as possible. to keep our budget low, although this week, if you guys saw my grocery haul, you know that I did not keep the budget low this week. But I'm going to cook this up. It's going to be half for my chicken noodle soup, and the other half is going to go in some chicken Caesar salad tonight. I actually had chicken soup on the menu for yesterday, and things came up and we didn't end up making that, so that's going to be tomorrow night or Thursday night's dinner. I'm not really sure which. Just depends on how the day goes, but tonight we're going to do the chicken Caesar salad. So I'm not going to prep the salad or anything. That's only going to take a few minutes, and I'll do that once we get home from playing Mom's Taxi. But for now, I'm going to get this chicken cooked up. So I need to grab out a skillet. My husband just put this super functional rack in to my little cabinet here for all of my pots and pans, and I am loving it. So I'm going to get out my cutting board just so I can trim up that chicken a little bit. And I'm also going to grab out my skillet, which I need 2 hands to grab. So I'm going to grab that and we're going to get cooking. Alright, you guys, so I have my pan on sort of like a medium-high heat. This is not like a cook with me or anything. I just thought I'd share while I was cooking dinner, chat with you guys a little bit. So I've just put some olive oil in the pan to keep my chicken from sticking. Don't mind my dirty stove. I need to clean it. And we're just going to get this chicken in here and brown it up. I'm going to season it up with some of this Montreal chicken seasoning, which I've never used before, but this stuff smells amazing. So we're going to get this into the pan, seasoned up, and cooked off super quick and easy. Alright, you guys, there is my chicken all browned up and beautiful. It's completely cooked through, so I'm just going to take it off of the pan and let it rest for about 10 minutes before I chop it up for soup and salad. So we just received a package in the mail from Firmoo. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that I have been getting all of my glasses from Firmoo.com. It's super affordable frames. I have terrible vision, and Austin has inherited my terrible vision, unfortunately. And so this time around, when Firmoo reached out and asked if I wanted to work with them again, I said absolutely, and I decided to try out glasses for Austin. So I'm a little bit nervous about this because while I have tried Firmoo before for myself, I have tons of their glasses and I love them, I wasn't really sure what to expect when it came to glasses for Austin. They have a kids section on their website, but it's for real little kids. So what I ended up doing was just buying men's glasses for Austin. I'm hoping that they're going to fit and look okay on him. He's not here right now for me to try them on him, unfortunately. But I am going to go ahead and pop these open and see what they look like. So inside the little package came this box. This is a little bit different than what I have seen previously. Looks like they've switched up their packaging a little bit, but I'm very excited to see his glasses. He went through and picked out a really nice pair that I think is going to look really great on him. So let me show them to you. So these are the glasses that he picked out. These are really nice. They are rimless along the bottom, which is new for him. I don't think he's ever tried anything like this before. But they look very nice. They're incredibly lightweight. I think these are going to be a phenomenal backup pair for him. Like I said, as long as they fit his face. And once he is home, I will have him try them on for you guys. But if you're not familiar with Firmoo, what it is an online glasses website. You can go in, enter your prescription, and they have a ton of glasses to choose from at super, super affordable prices. I'm talking like 20 bucks a pair. Of course, it goes up based on your prescription needs, but typically when I go to the optometrist and I get glasses, we're talking about a couple of $100, and when I order from Firmoo, it's typically like $30 or less. So I really, really love Firmoo. I have been using them for a couple of years now. I have multiple pairs of glasses. They are all phenomenal quality. They're super affordable, so you can try lots of different styles. I love Firmoo a lot, and provided that this works out with Austin, I think it's going to be a great resource for him as well. They also have sunglasses. You can get glasses with bifocals, I believe. They have sunglasses as well, so they have a huge range of things to choose from. Shipping is really, really fast. I placed this order last week, and here the glasses are. They come with this really nice little cleaning cloth. In the past, I've gotten cases and stuff for them. I'm not sure if they just switch the packaging up every now and then, but this is how my package came today, and it was very well wrapped. I didn't have any issues. The glasses came in there in perfect condition, no scratches or anything on the lenses. In my little box here was this little card. It says Firmoo $1 trial for all of your friends. So I'm not sure exactly what this deal is. I will look into it a little bit more and put some more information down in the description box for you guys. But it's a great website. I highly recommend that you check it out. I'll link it down below for you guys, as well as some of the glasses that I have gotten over the years. I will also link previous Firmoo videos that I have done sharing the specific frames and lots more details about Firmoo. I'm not going to go into super long detail because I've done so many videos, but I highly recommend Firmoo if you're looking for inexpensive prescription glasses, and I'm very excited to see how Austin looks in these. I just wrote a quick little list for Dollar Tree. I have to go pick up my guys from school. Robbie stayed after for math tutoring and then for soccer practice. Austin had quiz bowl tryouts today and robotics. So it is almost 5 o'clock. I have to pick them up at 5 and 5:30. I'm going to grab them, and then there's a Dollar Tree right down the road from their school. So we're going to run in there. I need some CLR or Lime Away or whatever they have in terms of that. I have some rust spots on my stainless steel sink. I want to look for electronic wipes for my TV. Baby shampoo, Austin uses that for his colostomy, and we're just about out of that. And the kids have been at school since, you know, like 7:10 this morning, so I'm sure they're going to want a snack. So that is my little list, and we're going to go. Alright, you guys, so we're just outside the school now. I just picked up my guys. Say hi, Robbie.
Hola.
Austin.
Hi.
I actually have something for you, but I wanted to ask you, how did your tryouts go?
Good.
You think you made the team?
I hope so. And I think so.
I hope they can see you. Robbie, can they see him? Look in the...
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And how was robotics?
Good.
Good. So,
What do you got for me?
you had mail today.
Oh.
Lucky. Yeah, can you try them on and we'll see how they look? Alright, let's see the glasses on you. What do you think?
I don't know. I can't see him.
Can you see?
Yeah.
So you got the prescription right?
good. Yeah.
You look real good. There's a mirror up here if you want to come take a look.
There's also
That's my mirror.
Yeah, I like him.
They look really good on you. I'll show you guys better once we get home, but they fit well? They feel good?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
Is Andale,
It's an echo.
Andale is what language? I don't remember.
Spanish, I think.
If you do know, put in the comments, because
She literally just
I
said-
don't trust her. She's not the language speaker. She knows English just like me.
Yeah.
Except at least I can count to 3 in German.
Go ahead.
1, 2, 3.
I was waiting for him not to know.
I only learned that because Vexna.
Oh, okay.
Okay, cool.
Alright, you guys, so we just got home a little bit ago, but something really weird happened on the way home from Dollar Tree. So the kids got their snacks and everything. We all hopped in the car. We were driving home, just chit-chatting away about how the boys' day was and talking about robotics and everything. And all of a sudden, I looked up and I had no idea where I was. I looked at my kids and said, "Where the hell are we?" Apparently, I was distracted by our conversation and just went ahead and made a turn down a road that I don't typically take, and was like 3/4 of the way down the road before it even registered in my brain. Has anything like that ever happened to you guys? Like, I've had situations where, you know, you get on autopilot and you're thinking about something else and all of a sudden you're home and you don't really remember driving there. But I've never had a situation where I ended up like, I wasn't really lost, because as soon as I figured out where I was, you know, I knew where I was. It wasn't a road I had never traveled before or anything like that, but it's definitely not the way I typically come home from picking the boys up from school. So it was just weird. Like, as soon as I figured it out, everything was fine, but I totally don't remember making the wrong turn. I don't remember like making the decision to turn or turning on my turn signal or anything. I was just distracted, I guess, by the conversation and not paying attention, which is very scary. The thought that something terrible could have happened, I guess. But yeah, totally freaked me out. I was like, whoa, where are we? Alright, you guys, so I have all of my romaine lettuce here washed and chopped up. I got that chicken out of the fridge that I cooked earlier. We got some Parmesan cheese, our favorite Caesar dressing. So that makes up the bulk of the meal, and then I'm going to serve it with this pita. They can either do it as wraps or just have it on the side. So that is dinner tonight. I think I'm also going to go ahead and serve that with some cottage cheese. Oops. There we go. So that's dinner tonight.